Are you tired of struggling with tight spaces behind your TV or risking damage to your expensive HDMI cables and ports? The UGREEN 270-degree HDMI male to female adapter is designed to give you the flexibility you need without the hassle or risk of bending cables the wrong way. This adapter lets you connect devices easily while protecting your gear from unnecessary wear and tear. I've personally used these adapters to connect my streaming devices like Roku to my wall-mounted TV, and the difference is clear. Instead of forcing cables into cramped spots and stressing the ports, the adapter redirects the cable with a smooth 270-degree angle. This simple change has saved me from costly repairs and extended the life of my HDMI cables and devices. Plus, it supports high resolutions up to 4K x 2K, including 1440p, 1080p, and even 3D formats, so you never sacrifice picture quality. What makes this HDMI adapter practical is more than just the angle. It supports audio return channel and HDMI Ethernet channel, ensuring your setup stays modern and efficient. It's compatible with all HDMI cable versions, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. You get two adapters in the package, each designed to fit different directions. One goes forward, the other backward, so make sure you choose the right one for your setup. If you're ready to protect your investment and simplify your TV connections, the UGREEN 270-degree HDMI adapter is worth a look. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in preserving your devices and improving your home entertainment experience. Try it when you're ready and enjoy hassle-free connections that last.